I know it's been a minute since I posted any kind of videos. I really apologize. You see this mess on the floor here of all these parts and pieces and all the other stuff sitting here. Well, that's going to be something really cool for my property. And if you don't know by now, I have a second YouTube channel. It's called the Homestead with Claude. And over there, I'm going to feature this video as well so people don't get confused. I'm going to be posting it to 2 different channels. There'll be different way it's edited though, of course. So, but anyway, through the magic of YouTube, we're going to make this thing get put together. Just like... Okay, the magic of YouTube didn't work well. It's still built. It's still down there. But that doesn't work worth a shoot. So we're going to try this again. And boom, just like that, it's done. So I don't know if you guys know what this is, but it's a wood rack. Rather than bore you with I'd actually have my wife come out and help me with some of it, hold pieces. But this is my wood rack to go behind the garage for firewood. But saw it on Amazon. It was $140. And I thought, well, why not? So that's what I ended up doing. I know you don't see the assembly part. If you're like me, you hate building this stuff. You just got to get it done. That's what I did. So that being said, I will stop the video. And thanks everybody. And goodbye and God bless for now. And I will see you on my next video or live, whatever case may be. So bye-bye for now. And I will end it with a kind of a walk around of it.